Dante had come to him at a rather young age, so he'd been with him for quite a few years to fix the teeth structure. And at some point during that, when we were done, I remember we said, great job. We were on our way, and we weren't quite sure if we would see him too much in the future. And then, he had advised us, I think Dante really needs to go and get his wisdom teeth looked at. So after his wisdom teeth were removed, we noticed that his neck was starting to swell. And we originally thought maybe there was an infection. And so that started the process for a biopsy. And what we found out was he was stage 4 lymphoma, and that that getting his wisdom teeth out actually saved his life. So we credit Dr. DeLuke because he really did press us to do that, not knowing what we would find, but I guess everything happens for a reason, and we're really grateful that we followed that advice right away and did that, and in turn began treatment for lymphoma. And even during the treatment, I found myself reaching back to Dr. DeLuke because I trusted him, and all the way through we wound up calling him and just kind of giving him updates and asking for his advice on everything, and he was there constantly. He returned my call right away and just kind of followed Dante through the progress. And so now we're kind of coming back to Dr. DeLuke for a couple reasons. One is that he's just so community-minded. When we do our fundraising, he's always the first one to step up and say, how can I help? And I think that's important. It makes us know that we chose the right person, and because we keep reconnecting with him. And the other piece of it is just his retainer and just making sure that we keep things in, the way that they're supposed to be. So we have found that even though we're past having braces, we're still reconnecting with Dr. DeLuke. So that's a nice thing.